Okay, let's take it to Adalia, a junior political science and journalism double major with minors in Spanish and marketing. Adalia's from Rockford, Illinois, and on top of several student organizations. And with all those majors and minors, she is also serving as the student body president. Amazing. Adalia, it's all you.
I'll take it from here, Alex. Some of my earliest memories are of me drinking hot chocolate out of my dad's Bradley homecoming mug. And when I started looking at colleges, I saw exactly what he saw nearly 30 years ago when he chose Bradley. A place where you can take classes in multiple programs and engage in different clubs and organizations. Bradley has over 200 student-run clubs, Greek life, and campus activities. I'm a member of the Symphony Orchestra, write for our campus newspaper, the Bradley Scout, and anchor on BUTV, our university TV station. I'm in our service sorority on campus, ESA, and work as a tour guide. It sounds like a lot, but I love having all these opportunities I wouldn't get at a bigger university. Currently, I am also serving as student body president. This role allows me to build connections on campus with Peoria residents, community leaders, and our amazing alumni network. We have an entire building dedicated to Bradley's rich history, including famous alumni who have gone above and beyond, like my dad. To end homecoming week, we gather for one of Bradley's most cherished traditions, the lighting of the bee. It's a chance for us to honor all the students that have come before us and reflect on the legacy they have left behind. It's inspiring to think one day we'll come full circle, standing in their shoes, lighting the path for future generations. Before starting college, I thought all my time would be spent studying. I didn't foresee all the opportunities Bradley offered until I was here. College is about much more than your academics. It's about finding a community where you belong and getting involved in the things that you care about. And I'm proud to have shared that experience with my dad. We both have found a home here at Bradley. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Adalia, for sharing how Bradley helps students excel academically and grow through countless involvement opportunities. Traditions like the lighting of the bee show how Bradley's community and legacy continue to shine. It's easy to see why Bradley remains a home for so many, past, present, and future. Keep reaching for the stars, Adalia. That was awesome.